I kill my son. I hate my son. Yes, no, my bike! In order to kill my son, I need to get stuck. And then, yes, son. Yes, he's dead. And I'm still unhurt. Beefcake. I like making funny noises. Oh, crap, I'm so screwed. Used to make such funny fart noises. mm, no! Too old to not. Oh, wait, what? Too old. Do not want. Final showdown. Oh no. Psychic powers. Out, 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 out. Water supply. Alright, yeah, shotgun. Whoa. Stop drinking the beer. No beer for you. No beer for you. Especially no beer for you. Stupid zombies. Wow. What? It's like, if what? He'd be into what? To what? Hmm. Fat Man Escape 3. Stay toil. Where's my, oh, there's my Segway. Ah. Dang it. There we go. Yeah, jump there, jump there. No, not Poco. Poco is good. Wait. He just flew past the car. This way. We can still make it. Let's get out of here while we still can. I've stopped for taking more lies. I'll stay here. What? Are you crazy? You can't fight that thing. Neither can you. Weapon store. No, I dropped it. Oh, did I just kill it? Eat lead, spawn. What? What is that? Huh. Lol. Weird Frozen Cavern 1.1. Oh, can I kill Timmy? I can kill Timmy. Pwned. I pwned my son. So happy. He's dead. Yes! Finally I can go to the bar. Aww. I'm talking in the dad's perspective. No! Well, I placed that perfectly, so only your son gets killed. And you don't even get injured. And you don't even get injured, and then I just get crushed. Oh god. Oh, I'm stuck. Wow. Come on. Wish I had a better job than this. How much did you get paid? What did that say? Oh god, no. Arrow, 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 arrow. Arrow to the butt. Arrow to the head. Cannons! Homing mines. Dead. Oh, yeah. What was that old man doing? The old man killed me. He made me slow down. Eh. Now I know what this is. Oh, not through the face. Stop shooting me through the face. Homing mines. Boom. How do you get past that? Oh, you know, rage quit. Back. Ruffles. Name. Beauty. Pod. Quiz. Just gonna play down through all these. Because I know a lot. PewDiePie's first name, that's easy. You need to place these better. Because when you jump on them, they break. Chihuahua! What kind of dog does he have? Who told me? Ah! Jump. Jump. How much money does PewDiePie make? Name is Felix. He has a pop. Each month, 30,000. Week. Oscar's fixed. Sorry, my sister got on and messed it up. And also, so kill she posted that. Holy Speed 5, he's 23. He's from Sweden. Sweden is in Europe. What color is his hair? He's a blondie. Whose rifle? No, it's a barrels. It's Tobuscus. It said who, not what. He hates barrels. Why does he hate barrels? Barrels are cool. I love the sounds I can make with my mouth. I can make so many. Most of them are really funny. It's blonde! Dang it. He thinks a Segway is a Vespa. Well, there's probably a Segway company called Vespa. Yes, Shadow. His hair is blonde. He's a blondie. Like me. Weird. Survival Tobuscus, but it's really barrels. Fall. It's awesome. Oh, that's an opinion. Well, I'll go. Is the answer really no? Or do you just die? He's from Sweden. Swedish. He's a blonde. Why are they remaking this if they don't like PewDiePie? Oh, where's this? Ugh. No, it's an opinion. So you fall to your death anyway. You die anyway. Nice. Stefano. Wee. What game did? Oh, Amnesia. No, it's not Jacob. Stefano. Wait, control. That's shift. Amnesia control. Jump, it's Felix. Jump, 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 jump control. What should I do next? Who's Sean Anners? Tobuscus. Oops. If I go down to the bottom, if we want to have a PewDiePie quiz, and I make one. Oh god, it's not pie. It's a stupid name. I don't know this. Oh, I got that one right. You fall into watermelons. I love watermelons. It's Marzia. From Sweden. No, he's from Sweden. I'm from America. These dogs are Meyer and Edgar. Because he said one of them was named Maya in one of his videos. Yes, victory!